Hello everybody, it's Mosi back again, and I'm back with another Lootlocker football break. I got a $50 March Lootlocker break here. If you don't know, you get some random hobby packs and some supplies. So let's go ahead and open this up. 2018 hobby boxes are so expensive. This is a good way to get a few hobby packs for a cheaper price. Hopefully one nice hit out of here. There's the candy you get every month. Can't complain about that. And let's check out the Ultra Pro supply. Seems like a lot this month, but some different sizes. Cool. Can never go wrong with supplies. Alright, the packs we got this month. 2018 Panini Contenders. Of course, you know how much these boxes go for. We got two 2018 Optics and one Certified. Let's save Contenders for last. Let's go ahead and open up these Optics first. Alright, pack one. Oh, we got something shiny back there. Christian McCaffrey. Landon Collins. Terry Bradshaw. Old school MVP insert. Cool looking. Ooh, not bad there. Barkley. There's some money. Actually, might keep this one. I don't have too many Chrome Technology rookies of Barkley, so this one I might keep actually. Very cool. Alright, good first pack. Pack two. Odell Beckham. Sean Lee. Another MVP, Marshall Faulk. Insert. And we got a Ridley rated rookie. It's pretty funny how similar those packs were. Alright, let's move to Certified. 5 cards. Doesn't feel thick, so I don't think there's a thick RPA in here. Earl Thomas, Andrew Luck, Hopkins. Oh, we have a backwards card. I think, yeah. Hopkins, Zeke Elliott, Certified Seal of Approval. Insert. And we got an Eli Manning, number to 50. Is that 16 out of 50? Blue parallel. It's interesting, it's backwards. Alright, last pack for a hit out of 18 Contenders. It's pretty hard to get a hit out of here. But we'll get lucky. Suggs, Bosa, Mike Evans. Ooh, a second Barkley. Rookie of the Year Contenders, Barkley. Nice. And then we have Davis, Rogers, and Adams. So no hits. Ended up with 3 inserts. Pretty nice looking inserts. The 1 serial number card. Eli Manning, number to 50. And can't complain about 2 Barkleys. So no hits this month, but you know what? Next month maybe I'll hit 2. So that's just the way to go with these random packs. I love them though. So that's it for this football Lootlocker, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.